Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay March 29, Tuesday. Ito po ang The Stock Market Today. Kung first time niyo po sa channel na ito, ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw po itong ginagawa. And I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa Filipina Shell at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSEI ngayong araw, Tuesday, March 29, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, yung financial headlines po natin ay galing sa BDO Securities. 91-day T-bills up 1.578%. Yan po yung benchmark interest rates po, no? Na pinagbabasihan ng ating BSP. Fitch Solutions sees BSP rate hike this year. Then LPC says office space demand to grow in the next 6 months. Ito yung Lichu Property Consultants or LPC. M-wide officers file motion to quash anti-dummy case. And then BDO declares stock dividends beef up capital of rural banking unit. So our main news is here in the business world. Filipina Shell swings to profit with nearly 4 billion net income. Mamaya tingnan po natin ang Filipina Shell, ano? Filipina Shell Petroleum Corp on Monday announced that its net income for 2021 jumped to 3.85 billion, bouncing back from its 16.18 billion peso loss in the previous year on the back of sustained net worth growth. In a disclosure to the exchange, the listed oil firm logged 2.3 billion in core earnings, or nearly 8 times higher than the previous year's 300 million. It also maintained a 1.8 billion operational cash flow as it continues to sustain proactive management costs, working capital, and cash inflows. Filipina Shell said that its fuel marketing volume began to go up when the government has lifted the coronavirus disease 2019 lockdown and became more aggressive with its vaccination drives. In a separate disclosure, the firm said it recorded a 12.9% increase in net sales to 17.72 billion from 2020's 15.7 billion. In terms of volume, among its segments, its lubricant business remained to be its main growth driver with a 30% increase. Bitumen sales followed with 12% growth. The company is the only bitumen or asphalt producer in the country. Yun pala yun. Ms. Kiambao Osial said he hopes that the marketing volumes continue to improve as more people gets fully vaccinated, feel safer, and get back on the road. In September 2021, Filipina Shell opened its first Site of the Future in Silang, Cavite, a mobile station that provides fuel and other products and services. It was followed by 42 other news stations. The presence of some 70 popular Filipino restaurants and lifestyle brands in these stations provide Filipina Shell customers a wide variety of non-fuel retail products, the company said. At the local bourse, shares in the oil company on Monday went up by 30 centavos or 1.69% to close at 18 apiece. So mamaya tignan po natin ang Filipina Shell. So tignan po natin kung meron po tayong comments ng ating mga subscribers. At I think wala naman, ano. So let's proceed na po tayo sa Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on what happened today. Okay, so bago po tayo pumunta sa PSE Index, meron pong isang pahabol dito. Mike Miguel, paad lang sir ng all day sa review. Maraming salamat po. Okay, umabot ka Mike. So sama natin si all day. And the PSEI lost 19.27 points. Kahapon po 9.52 yung na shed niya. Ngayon ay 19.27. So konti lang, a fraction of a percent to end at 7115.09. At yung structure po ng ating mga indicators are actually yung ating mga candlesticks ay still just about moving sideways or just below the candlesticks. RSI is bearish at 48.72. Yung ating market activity, 92 companies declined, 82 advanced, while 57 remained unchanged. The all-share index also slipped 11.52 points, so konting-konti lang. Yung ating financials, sectoral indices ended mixed, no? More of red, no? The holding companies, mining, properties, and services were in the red, led by mining at 3.99%. The industrials and the financials gained, pero it's just maliit lang, no? 0.46% for the industrials and 0.26% for the financials. So, in essence, we will be reviewing ALLDY, ALLY, ICT, Ayala Corporation, ACEN, and Converge. So, tingnan po muna natin si ALLDY. Okay, ALLDY. Lumabas na yung medium-term indicator, yung yellow line, and our red or orange line is appears to be going downwards. However, there is a recovery for ALLDY, no? So, yung support po niya, nandito po sa area to. So, nagdidip po siya, pero starting March 17 ay successive green candlesticks na po, except for 2. And paunti-unting tumataas si ALLDY from a low of 48 centavos rather. Now, let's check. Hindi. 40.50 centavos. 40.5 centavos ang pinaka-low niya. Dito po, nangyari po ito sa noong March 15. And now, unti-unti po siyang umaakyat. Meron bang news si ALLDY? Tingnan lang po natin. Ha? Press release 6 days ago. Baka ano ito baka financials to So, sleepin lang po natin kung meron siyang news. Okay, sabi niya dito, ALLDY Supermarket posts banner year 2021 net income up 80%. Okay, so tingnan po natin ang, well, press release lang po ito, pero kailangan makita po natin ang figures. 80% daw ang claim ng company. So kaya po siguro tumataas po ito, no? So nasa 43.53 po ang pinaka-support niya. While yung ating resistance ay medyo mataas po. Nandito po sa area to. Nasa 64 centavos po ang pinaka-resistance po niya. So maganda po, no? Kasi under the candlestick na po yung ating indicators, which would mean that on the short term, it is already bullish. RSI is also at 51, slightly just above the midpoint. Okay, then si ALLY. Si ALLY naman ay, naku, nagkaroon siya ng red candlestick po dito, losing 75 centavos. A-REIT to increase portfolio, pero this is 18 days ago. Okay, so yung ating short, medium, and long term are just horizontal, no? And yung support, I see it here at 34.64. And resistance, pinakamalapit po ay nakikita ko po sa banda rito. Nasa 37.07, and the second one, resistance would be here at 37.96. So halos magkalapit lang po yung first and second resistance. So just about moving sideways, although there was a red candlestick today, RSI is bearish at 43, but since our candlesticks are below our indicators, I would say that it's more of the on the bearish side. Then ICT naman ay nagkaroon din ng shooting star to, no? Or you call it a shooting star. So makikita po natin yung solid yellow line is our 50-day exponential moving average, which is forming our support. So if we will do a parallel channel to determine support and resistance, yan, ito po. So ang pinaka-support po natin nasa slight overshoot lang po, but the support is at 212.11 and 236 po ang pinaka-resistance following the parallel channel. On the medium term, I would say that it's still moving upwards. Medium and long term, it's still moving upwards. Ngayon, yung RSI is a bit bearish dahil bumaba po yung ating the candlestick influenced the RSI today. So, nasa 47.44. And then, Ayala Corporation. Actually, magaganda pong bumili ngayon, no? Especially Ayala, na napakababa, no? So, ang Ayala Corporation, again, bumaba po siya. Information statement. Ano kaya to? Tingnan natin, ha? Curious lang po. Tingnan natin kung ito. Information statement. Annual Shareholders Meeting, April 29. So, wala pang ano ito. Wala pa yung FS niya. So, bearish din po si Ayala Corporation. Nakikita niyo po, mabababa po yung kanyang presyo. Yung RSI is also bearish at 41. Support po nandito sa yan, 767.31 ang pinaka-support po ni Ayala Corporation. Pero maganda pong bumili dahil napakababa po, no? Pero kung titignan po natin yung fundamentals ni Ayala Corporation ay nasa 1,230. Yan po, Ayala Corporation, 1,230 or a 52% upside, mga 55% upside kasi ngayon nasa 786 eh. So, fundamentally, it's very good to buy now because it is undervalued based on a study of BDO. And then, ACEN. Si ACEN ay it's recovering. Meron po siyang dividends of 6 centavos. Ex-date is March 31 and payment date is April 19. Okay? So ngayon, ang ACEN po ay mababa rin ang kanyang presyo. Ang pinaka-support niya nandito po sa area to, 770. Yan po ang pinaka-support ni ACEN. And yung resistance niya, pinakamalapit, I would say, would be here at 8.99 or mga 9 pesos na po. No? Support and resistance, hindi po yan exacto. These are areas. Ano? RSI is just at the midpoint at 50. Finally, we have Converge. Converge, naku, nagre-recover si Converge, and all our indicators are now under the candlestick. It's recovering actually, and since April or March 16 ay pataas po yung stock. So under the candlestick na po, mukhang nag-recover na po siya, and the trend is reversing towards the bullish one, ano? RSI is also bullish at 61. Meanwhile, yung ating support nandito po sa 22.77 and the resistance nandito po sa 31.94. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market ika-29 ng Marso 2022. Malapit na pala mag-month end, ano? Katapusan na. And sa Friday po ay April na. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.